Hello, hi everybody. It is day 37 of studying math. I literally forgot starting recording. Oh my gosh, like I've been studying for 10 minutes and I wasn't recording at all. Oh my gosh, dude. I'm just like literally forgetting starting recording, like the most important thing. Oh my gosh. So by the way, it's day 37 of studying math every day. Today I'm going to do 2 sessions. So let's guys, I was doing this problem, like I thought like I was recording, but like I wasn't recording. I'm doing this problem now. So guys, so let's see. Okay, so I got this for x, and again I'm gonna try, like I'm gonna use this equation. So I'm gonna use on this one 2y minus plus c equals to 1. So I'm gonna multiply -2. So it is -2x plus x, which is like -x. 2 is like -2y, they will cancel, and -2 positive 2z, and -8 by the way. Okay, so after that these guys, they're gonna cancel, they will cancel out. So let me do it another way, dude. What up? So it is 2y, they will cancel. Okay, it is -2z plus z, it is like -z, and also -8. -8, it is just like +1, it is -7, it is -7. So this is what I have right here. Just like move this to the other side, which is -x equals to z -7 . It's just like 1 and 1, which is x -z +7. So what is wrong with this then? 2x, it's just like +2x, 3x, and then right here 2y, -2y and +2y, they're gonna cancel. Okay, -2z and z is just like -z. So z gonna go other side. So I got this right up. Nope. So I'm gonna say 2x -2z equals to 6. And this one, x -b equals to -7, which is x -3z equals to -1. So funny. Okay, so x equals to +3z equals to -1. Oh, I don't know yet. By the way, this is what I have. So let me check them. I think that's how they would do anything. Just like they're gonna find X. So this is my answer. I'm gonna say x equals to 1, y equals to 1, and also z equals to -2. 1 1 minus 2 is 1 1 minus 2, which is the c. I don't know if it's right or wrong, but let me go with it. Yes, it is right, and I did it right. Yes. Okay, so dumb, so good, so good, so good, so good, man. Feel me? So let's go on to the next problem. So x minus y plus z x minus y plus z x minus y plus z minus 6, then 3x minus y. Can like to save some time once I split screen. Nah, nope. So 3x minus 4y negative z equals to negative 4. Right. Yeah. So 3y plus 4z equals 14. Everything is good then. Okay, so let's do it. So what can cancel? I think equation 1 and equation 2, the z variable gonna cancel. Let's do it. So it is 4x minus 5y equals to -10. So let's use the first equation and with the third equation, or equation 3, in other words. So we're gonna say 2x plus 3y plus 4z equals to 14. Okay. So this is -x. Nope. Not this. Okay. We need to multiply like -4 on both sides. Feel me? That is -4. So -4x plus -2x, just like -6x. -4y. Nah, it is positive 4y and +3 is just like +7y. So negative. Okay, so they will cancel. Okay, 4 times 6, which is 24. So it's +24. This looks good. So yeah. It's good, man. So 4x -5y equals to 10. Not 10, but +10. -10, I mean. So -6x plus 7y equals to 24. Okay. So it is -2x +2y equals to +14. I made a mistake, I believe, because like 4 times 6 is 24 plus 14. Okay, 24 plus 14 is 8. And then it's 3. So it's 38. It's 38. Okay. So now how to isolate for a variable, I guess. Let me isolate this for x. So negative 2x equals to negative 2y positive 38, and then negative 2 x equals to let's just right up, let me check. Nineteen. So it is y positive 19. This is my x. So then for okay. There's error. So it is negative, to be honest. Here is negative. Where did I get that 48 though? 38. Where? It is just like 24 minus 10. It's 14. Like, where did I get it? Can anybody tell me? Am I fucking retard? Like what? Isn't it 14? Ten and 7. Sometimes it's just like 14. And then it is 7. Again. Guys, I made a huge mistake, I guess. I don't know. Like, I'm kind of like stuck. So, yeah, it makes sense though. It's just fine. It is a mistake that I'm making. So, I'm also check it. So, the first part is what? Minus 4x positive 4y negative 4z positive. I don't need that. It is just 4 times 6, which is 24. And also in the bottom I got 2x plus y already cancelled. So negative 24 positive 14 negative 24, which is negative 10. Nah, let's just say like negative 14. It's what it is, right? Positive 14. And then this is 6x positive 7y equals to negative 24 is positive 24. Yeah, positive 24. Okay, so 24 plus 14 is 38. So yeah. 38. So it is negative 2x positive 2y equals to 28. And then 2x equals to negative 2y positive 28 negative 2 negative 2, so x equals to positive y negative 28 divided by 2, which is 14. So 4y negative 4 times 14, 56. Yeah, I got it now. Negative 10. So negative y equals to 56 negative 10, which is 46 negative 1 and negative 1, which is negative 46. So yeah, I got 4 minutes left. So can I do for x? Can I do for x? So maybe. So the same one, I would say. For x minus 5y equals to negative 10. For x negative y, which is 5 negative, for 6 equals to negative 10. So it is for x 5 times 46. No, 5 times 46, which is 200 and positive 280 equals to negative 10. So for x equals to 230 negative 10. So for x equals to negative 240. For equals to 240 to 240 divided by 4, 60. So it is negative 60. Do I have negative 60? Yes, I do. Negative 60, negative 48, negative 60, negative 46, and also let me find for z2. Gonna use the first one. It's what, let me just like lasso. Okay. So x, which is negative 60. Negative 46. Z. That is 60. Positive 46. So positive c equals to 6, so 60 plus 46. No, but okay, nah, this is negative. So 46 negative 60, which is negative 14. Negative 14 plus c equals to negative 6. If we go to the other side, z equals to 14 negative 6, which is z equals to 8. Am I tripping? Am I tripping, guys? What up? Yes, it is. It should be 8. So z should be positive 8. So it looks like it is the d. So let me do this, guys. X, Y, Z. It is X, which is minus 60, Y minus 46, and Z, which is positive 8. Gone. So negative 60, negative 46, which is the D. Yeah, okay. That's good. So now let's go on a break. So yeah. So, like one of the equation is missing a variable, right? It is missing variable y. I don't know how am I gonna deal with, like, I don't know how to deal with this sort of problem when this situation comes, like when there is a missing variable in one of the equations. But yeah, I'm gonna try my best. So yeah, although I'm feeling fatigued, to be honest, it's just like my eyes are hurting. I don't know. Okay. Should I just like cancel out 3z? I mean, should I cancel out y? Okay, let me try this. So I'm gonna use this equation and this equation together. That's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, so this is not right, man. This is not right. This is not the right answer. Dude, I don't think so. What I'm doing now is right. I don't know. Okay. Any chance that I can do this? X plus 2 z equals to 3, and then anyway I can use one of these variables because like it's already solved for y in the first equation. Why do I need to it's already eliminated, you know? Y is already eliminated. Okay, I kinda don't know it. So I'm about to ask it to GPT. I think I can ask about AI. This one, maybe. I don't know. What the fuck does he mean? What the fuck does he mean by like substitute that? Am I gonna find for X first?
That work is already done for us. Either by 2 or 3 or 1 and 3. I noticed that 1 and 3 would be the easiest because minus C. Both of these, then you're
All right, so we have here is a system of equations with three variables, three equations. The goal is to find the value or values of x, y, and z that satisfy each equation. So there's a lot of different strategies for solving a system, but the main one is if you have three variables, the first goal is to get this down to two equations, two unknowns. So as you can see, this equation. So there's a lot of different strategies for solving a system, but the main one is if you have three variables, the first goal is to get this down to two equations, two unknowns. So as you can see, this last equation only has an x and a y in it. So it makes sense to take the first two equations and eliminate the z. Remember, you have a lot of flexibility.
Yes, that's what I did too.
You eliminate, but we have to make sure that it's that it's useful for us. So I'm going to take the first two equations and eliminate z. Now what that means is I'm looking at those coefficients. I want to make sure that they cancel each other out when we add. So we're going to multiply the first equation by negative 15 first. which remember means multiplying.
Yeah, I did the same too.
5x negative 10. Multiply both sides by negative 1. It should look a little bit cleaner and more friendly. Now we have an equation with x and y only. But I have another equation with x and y only, so now I'm going to take that equation and I'm going to pair it with that one now.
Okay. So, dude, it is the exact same thing that I did. I swear to God, like it is the exact same thing. What? Like,
So that system, that mini system, is going to allow us to find x and y. So to do that, we need to be able to, again, we could do substitution, we could do elimination, whatever. I like to stick with elimination once I start with elimination. I'm going to multiply the first equation by 2, because I'm going after the y.
is he still gonna like remove or maybe cancel out another variable?
They're opposite signs, and I'm going to multiply the second equation by 3. Now you can do this any way you want.
What does he want to do?
So to do that, we need to be able to, again, we could do substitution.
To do what? To do what?
System, that mini system is going to allow us to find x and y. And I'm going to pair it with that one now. So that system, that mini system, is going to allow us to find x and y. So to do that, we need to be able to, again, we could do substitution, we could do elimination, whatever. I like to stick with elimination once I start with elimination. I'm going to multiply the first equation by 2, because I'm going after the y since they're opposite signs, and I'm going to multiply the second equation by 3. Now you can do this any way you want to, but this is just the way I'm going about it, just to illustrate elimination as much as we can. So multiplying everything by 2, we get that, and multiplying the second one by 3, we get that. And then we're going to add those together, because that was the whole reason why we did this. Whoops. Right effect, but wrong way to do it. I wanted to cross those out. So we have 13x equals 2080, which means x is equal to 2080 over 13, which I believe is 160. So we have x. Great. How do we get the other variables? Well, now I have to look back at all of the equations that we have and try to find one variable at a time. Notice we have x minus 2y equals 0, so you can easily find y. So x is 1.
Where?
60 minus 2y equals 0.
By the way, I was kind of close. I swear to God, like on God, man.
160, which means y is equal to 80. So I'm just going to box these in here so we have our solution. And now we go back to one of the equations with x, y, and z. So if I scroll back up, notice the first equation looks simplest to work with. So I'm going to use that one. You could use the second one if you wanted to. You should still get the same answer. So I'm just going to box these in here so we have our solution. And now we go back to one of the equations with x, y, and z. So if I scroll back up, notice the first equation looks simplest to work with. So I'm going to use that one. You could use
Okay, so by the way, now all I did wrong was I need to eliminate what? Need to eliminate z. That's what it's doing. That's what it's doing. Right. He eliminated. You got this, and again he wanna eliminate another variable just to get x. That's what he did. So Lazo. and this part. So now I'm gonna eliminate the z. So I'm gonna use cancellation. So I'm gonna multiply this like negative just 7 and also negative 2 on this side. So it will be 7x plus 14 z equals to 21, and it will be negative 14 negative 14 negative 14 z equals to positive 4. So don't forget the x right there. So in this part, like they both will cancel. So I got 7 what something. I got 7x negative 7x equals to 21 17 negative 7 and negative 7, which is x equals to, can I do it? Like, I don't know. 17 divided by 7. Yeah, that's not a thing. So it up. X plus 2z, x plus 2z equals to 3. X plus 2z equals to 3. Kind of like this is where I did wrong, I believe. So it is 3, it is 7x plus 7z equals to 7 Oh yeah. Is this 10? Nope. What up? What is 7x plus 14c equals to 21. 2 times 7, which is like minus 14x minus 14 z equals to, okay, 14 is minus 14, so this is 7 negative 7x equals to 21 and 14 is 7. 21 minus 14 is positive 7. Negative 7 and negative 7, which is x equals to, okay, negative 1. Dude, no way, I did it right. Swear to God, like even before I watched that lecture I was doing right, all I was forgetting was just like to make it 7 right there. Wow, my brain is braining. Okay, I got the x, so wait, I can get the z just using that one. So now x plus 2z equals to 3, x, which is minus 1 plus 2z equals to 3. Nope. No need for that line, so it's just like 2z equals to, it will be positive, so it will be 4, so 2 and 2, and then z equals to 2. So what about the y then? So let me use 3x minus 2y positive z equals to negative 11, and then 3 value of x, which is minus 1 minus 2, which is like looking for the y, plus z, which is 2 equals to 11. So it is negative 3 negative 2y positive 2 is 11. So negative 2y negative 1 equals to negative 11. So negative 2y equals to 11 plus 1, which is like negative 10. Okay, and 2y equals to negative 10 divided by 2 divided by 2 on both sides. So it's y equals to 5. So it is negative 1 2 5 negative 1 2 5 negative 1 5 2. So it looks like it is the D. So let me do this. Gonna do this. X Y Z Okay, so x, which is -1, y, which is 5, z, which is 2. Okay. So yeah, good. I can just say this. So yes, I did all of them right, and my brain is braining maybe, or I don't know if I understood that thing. But yeah, I did all of them right. So all I need to do now is to take the bonus questions, dude. And it's not gonna be easy. These two sessions were so hard, to be honest. Advanced equations and also system of equations, they both were kind of like complicated and not that easy. So there is 2 sections left. So at least I have to. And it's not even 2. I believe it's 3 sections, man. They are way too long. So I hope I can do 2 of them in this month, like, you know, in this June. So yeah, so I'm about to call it a day. It is day day 37 of studying Martin every day, and I did 2 sessions. I don't know why I didn't check this, to be honest. Should be 2 out of 2, but yeah. So see you all